We looked at a couple different competitors with seam analysis, and the SeamMate was far and away the better option, especially because it's local to us. It's in Ohio.
The SeamMate system's fairly simple to use. We do some prep work to line up so we know where we're going to saw and where we're going to cut and everything, but other than that, as long as you have a steady hand, it's pretty simple.
Well, the setup was actually performed by OneVision. They came down with the equipment, then they sat down and we went through customizing it for our particular situation. After a couple of weeks of our using it, then they had a follow-up session, and they've been very helpful ever since.
We can actually see the seam in 3 different spots. It makes a huge difference just having that insurance and seeing how the double seam is actually working rather than just hoping.